Obi, I'm telling you, sir. Inflation was from the minimum kojokai. Dollar, city national.
I stable.
But money more day.
Ghana man.
Minimum catch all. This is the pan can correct. Any of my boy Costro. Any of my boy, near my boy. I mean, petty things are now, and the boy you shall and your bobia. That's what I make a will be telling me like any. Upon all these economic gains in actually. Any of my
I was a former money na makwaba Edbagan and Sem TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin so watch the wage or comment section for them. Say money down if Mr. President. Baby home be from Mr. President and meje also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section and meje also. Who see am TikTok na pa Mr. President and meje also sir. Koye dey baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and many kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the power by MBA so selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi. They were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ibu idi. Ya many and for the Messiah. Dr. Ladma Umbo Miyama the NS assembly few. Now once again, may catch a gun and mabuni and I say, I'm man yourself near no. Eh daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprinti ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye wo yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Obi, I'm telling you, sir. Inflation was from the minimum kojokai. Dollar, city national.
I stable.
But money more day.
Ghana man.
Minimum catch all. This is the pan can correct. Any of my boy Costro. Any of my boy, near my boy. I mean, petty things are now, and the boy you shall and your bobia. That's what I make a will be telling me like any. Upon all these economic gains in actually. Any of my boy Costro.
I would jump.
I will baby, you jump. I'm telling you, baby, only baby, you don't go. Near my book, you say, Yan Ghana, no. You had to say we end this year. That's why this is about what. Say a bon you ever papa, so Casse papa. We MPP near, so MPP about what. Say a bon you ever papa, Casse papa, say by ya, what by any Bebania. Oh, hang up. Abraham and me, Siga Cotadia. Oh, what you say? And here come Benifona and manage your minor tear. And on be true and among a beboama, a hot already, and the back. I'm saying that idea be an talk not that one economy is no not near from China and economy na ye opa komami o mani ma ye na ko bisa gam krabo komami o mani ma na kusa gambo tama na so uto tobi tama na uto ene ne boy saying but so ka o he na ka sika ne den ka gina obie ne obetima ka sika nyina obie ne obetima ka inflation ye den na inflation be for ma the attention say ema ade boy en kosoro nke gina ba bi gina se sokra ante a gina ba bi gina wo de atia ba foma bedu se kanema so boy den ekofam no obi niam bia medam di milo ye example se nche bia na milo 15 cities and then 65 cities
milo
yes milo 10
can
kobisa
oh you sure
I'm telling you and he said a friend saying you can't say the why who say bibia bibia anya fansa I'm telling you bibia anya fansa yeah kwa sorry oh sorry na hu economy ni ya hu obi I'm telling you you was on them na say economy ni ya hu what you say economy ni ya offering it because I want to see economy there yeah the wo
the president Mahama can be
of course yeah kwa sorry
economy ni nti amount for crime to collect
me na kwa yeah kwa sorry economy no yeah we hu na so dem wo I am telling you for a fact say the slaban no ye na ye hia ne moa niema ye yi a ebi be kan am yeso ata free bi na niema de sika na gina inflation aba fam but niema bo no minima de crop pot I don't know what they will do but niema bo no still ano e was so na kwa na den ko na nim
enye adwadifo na ebotire moden
mentimi nchire because you see wa ukota de esa ade na bo akoso a kwa nya argument ukutimi nto akwa na we den
obeko
ukọ
monochrome dabe
ọman ni maye den a teacher for into omoka no a ebi kiosk no o san bo mo ekro no o te studio ha na obi ma send you video bi Sunyani East MP no
Sunyani
kokoro
your friend Sunyani
what was am waka o se susek for e man invitation when you school ho nti wonko je kasa bohwe botre wa je kasa
ho say no
oso nti wonko invitation na susek for no sebe omotimi kro mekuase from Mary Owusu kasatan tan sa no mo kasere timemu for no na nka Pedro a minim no
I said petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh unti dem making me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no muhia ama no muhia but nanka we my no dwadifo no kyerem so mokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na mo kan yes but this nka ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa my no omoko fa ne ma ne ba omo tete so ana abanu kreti another environment but say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what you say
he's
also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa niema we nyina ebi no aban na ye ne de ebi na say bonten so for no nya de ebi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5
yes
now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year, and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Suff3ring as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Agyeta, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?